Hi people, Sunday the 27th of April 2025, 2025, 27 April, and this is about the oil stuff here going on here, and the oil filter story. Yeah, maybe this is good. Now, with the oil filter housings, the gasoline motor, this is a gasoline motor, one of those engines there, the XN petrol motors, the gasoline XN motor, XM or XM, mostly I think it's XN motors. Now, the unit there looks like this one here. It only goes on and off, off and on. Now on, and that's off. When the oil pressure comes, it's off. Right, so what's going on here is that hole there, the screwdriver is now going up, goes up here behind this valve. So what happens now, a plunger I mean, nou agter die plunger daar. Nou die olie gaan hierin, the oil comes around this, comes in there from the oil pump, around here, all the space here, and then it goes into the filter. I'm just going to take any filter. I don't know what car takes this filter. Z48, but it doesn't fit here. Ja, dit pas nie hier nie. Ek weet nie wat my car se auto se filter die is nie. But anyway, that's all the same. Just the fitting and the stuff on the outside might be bigger and smaller and whatever, not to make it work. But the inside works similar. Okay, and now the oil is on the outside there, and it goes in by these holes here, and through the paper, and then it comes out in the center. Okay, so then when it comes out by the center, wanneer dit by die middel uitkom, by die center uitkom, dan gaan dit hierin, in die center hier. And then when a certain pressure, at a certain pressure, it will press this spring back that direction, because this is now same pressure as a crankcase, but that's oil pump pressure going in there, so it will turn the light off. But then you don't, some people don't service their vehicles, so what then happens is the sludge blocks up the filter, the paper gets blocked up by sludge, deur 'n olieverdekking waar ek papier verstop, en dan kan daar nie olie ingaan daar nie. So no oil can flow in there because of the sludge in the paper filter. So that when it overcomes this valve here, the sludge will go into the engine. Maybe it will help for not causing trouble at that moment, but you can't drive like that for a long time. So either way, it's a bad show. Het is nie goed nie. So nou kom ons terug hier na die, gaan ons over na die diesel eenheid, the XD engines. Now, in the beginning, the XD engines used this filter housing. So it takes the same filter, Z74, I think, on the gasoline motor there, fitting, and on this one. It's exactly the same. But here is the difference. Here is the verskil. As you can see, you can see the verskil daar. Now what happens now is the oil comes in from the oil pump and it goes in, it comes out of here, it fills this whole space here and it goes through these holes, through the paper inside and comes out by the center. Then it goes in here, in the center here. This direction, hierdie kanaal hier, this channel here, it goes into the block. Here it all goes to the other direction, this direction, to turn the light off. Now down there, this channel here goes up here behind that valve. Okay, so now what happens is this oil presses this thing up against there and the light goes off. Okay, quite more stiffer there. It's a little stiffer than a gasoline motor spring. So the oil pressure must be higher on a diesel motor than on a gas motor before the light, or let's say, to get the light, turn the light off. So the diesel light will come on sooner than a gas motor if there's problems. Right, now when it's forced there, now we see a little hole here. Now as all this here is same pressure, that's alles dieselfde drukking hierso. Dan wat gaan gebeur is die drukking met sludge, met verdukte olie gaan die drukking opgaan hier, want hy moet deur die filter, deur die gate gaan van die filter hier deur, want hy kan nie gaan daar nie, want dit is vuil. Cannot go through the hose there, because it's of the sludge here. Now pressure builds up. Now the pressure between this point and that point is now very much different. So die drukking, die verskil tussen hier en daar is nou heel veel van die olieverdukking. So nou die ding is daar, die lug is af. Nou die olie gaan hierin, want die drukking is hoër dan daai drukking is hoër dan die drukking. So now what happens is the oil goes in by this hole, and daai gat daar sien, dat hole, the sludge, the thick oil, die dik olie, en die sludge gaan hier in, sludge gaan daar in, and it forces this valve apart, like so. And I feel it's quite a heavy, so it must be a lot of sludge because it's tight to pull it. So as soon as it, remember, pressure keeps the light off that side, the whole unit goes there, but the pressure stays there because the pressure here, all of here, is more than there. So die drukking is altyd meer hier dan daar, wat na die krukkas toe gaan, the engine, the block, crankcase. The pressure isn't as high as the oil pump pressure. So then it divides this valve here, and it pulls this one back and the light comes on again. So die lig kom weer aan met sludge. Maar as dit geïgnoreer word, if you ignore it, then the sludge will open this valve up. But this is soft. And it's tough. So that's not going to help much. The light won't come on. The sludge will go here in any case. So then they decided to fit a new housing to it. But this takes another filter. It's not a Z74 filter. And that is on the XD3s and XDP 90s and those. They continued after they stopped making the XD2 motors, the XD88 and the XD2 motors. They stopped making them. They kept on with the XD90 and the XD3 motors, and XDP 3s and the XDP DP4 in the 490s. But now in here it's the same switch. Let's open it up and see what's going on here. There's a new same unit. Now it's becoming windy. It's the same exact same unit. Also stiff. Okay. So what now happens with this unit is it doesn't have that bypass valve there for the sludge. So what now happens is all the sludge building up here in the filter and in the paper filter, and it can't go in here. So then it splits, goes in there once again, and it splits the valve. So now the oil light must come on at a certain point, and you must stop immediately. So when the oil light stays on because of no oil in the engine, you mustn't let it run. And if you drive it and the sludge becomes severely and it clogs the filter completely while you're driving, the light will also come on with this unit. I think that is an oil heat unit, that side. So the temperature of the oil, you kan die temperatuur van die olie kyk na hier. Of dit is 'n meter. Is it a meter or is it a temperature unit? You get a gauge unit for pressure and you get a gauge unit for heat on the oil. I don't know what's that. Yes, I never connected it. I don't know. Miskien iemand weet daarvan of hy 'n drukmeter het of hy 'n temperatuurmeter het daarso van olie temperatuur. But anyway, this is this story about it. Is the sludge build up and the light comes on. You must stop immediately. But here, with this one, I don't think the light will come on. It will rather go in there because it's soft. It's not as stiff as this. So this light won't turn on. The sludge will go in there. And your engine is stuffed. So your engine is less likely to fill with this filter unit housing. Dit sal meer onwaarskynlik wees dat die engine oppak opsies met hierdie eenheid dan met daardie eenheid. So this is a better unit, this is a better eenheid hierdie, filter behuising, olie filter behuising, oil filter housing, then that one, dan daardie eenheid. Okay, this is now about the oil filter storage here, and housings and so. And then I say bye-bye from this video. Ek moet seker 'n bietjie hoër opkry, so. Ek sien, ja. Bye-bye, tot ziens, tot de volgende video. Thanks for viewing this video. Dankie dat jy na deze video gekyk het. Until the next video, tot de volgende video. Tot ziens, tot the next video. Until the next time, next video, bye-bye.